Ron wants to know, I'm sorry, his question is, due to COVID, which everybody's dealing with these days, the bankruptcy trustee sent me a notice that my 314 is now by phone, which is the first court appearance. Do I have to make any court appearances during this pandemic? So what is the answer to that question, Alex?
Well, the answer is, for the most part, the answer is no. They've set up a system and really done a good job where the hearings, for the most part, 95% of them are telephonic. There's a number you can call into the courts, and all the parties can be on there. They could have, 30 parties on there. I know for the creditors meetings, and like you mentioned, the 341 meeting, the creditors meeting, that's your first appearance. It's generally, pre-coronavirus, you are in a courtroom with there's about 20, 30 people in there. The trustees up at the front, and you're on the stand. And if it's your first time, or pretty much anybody, a lot of people get really intimidated and nervous about that setting when they're, up there airing, their whole financial life in front of everybody. It's nerve-wracking. Well, there's few silver linings to this coronavirus pandemic, but one of them is these are telephonic, and I've found, and my clients have found, it's a lot more comfortable being able to call in from either my office or the comfort of your own home and do those. And so there's some benefits of everything being telephonic, not having to go to court, because oftentimes for my clients, that's intimidating. It makes them nervous. Some hearings, if it requires multiple witnesses, evidence, stuff like that, may require in person with, all the safety measures. If you want to meet with me, we have plenty of safety measures, but I'll also be glad to do a lot of stuff on the phone, almost anything. We could set up a phone consultation, even a phone signing of your case, if you're not comfortable coming to the office. But that's a good question, and thank you very much.
Okay, all right. Carl, anything you would like to add to that?
No, I think Alex is right. I think it offers a little more privacy when you can do it by Zoom and telephonically. And I agree, it is intimidating when you have to go into a courtroom with the gallery filled and a number of people, lawyers, judge, spectators, and you have to go through your financial records. That can be very intimidating and awkward. So yeah, Alex, I think it's great that you can do it by telephone.
Now, do you also offer that at Reynolds Horne and Savannah? Do you offer Zoom meetings with your clients?
Well, we have been doing Zoom meetings with clients. We also have done our mediations, actually have picked up during this pandemic. Most of the cases that we resolve are fairly old. I've preached and preached about the fact that the lawyers who advertise talk about in a wreck, get a check, and it's quick and easy. There's nothing quick and easy about it. They all take time because a case can't be properly evaluated until you know what the volume of the injury is and what the whole case is. So most of the ones that are resolved after 3 or 4 years. So we are still doing a lot of mediation. We do that again by Zoom, and they're ongoing. We're doing them every day.